Have you always wanted to develop your own chatbot but didn't know how? ChatGPT already came out almost half a year before. But a regular business person who may be thinking, what is the actual use case? What is the value get from a chatbot? For here, we have a very hands-on tutorial, 2-week sprint, that teaches you how to build a customizable chatbot from the ground up using OpenAI's API. My name is Tianyi, and I'm the lead instructor in a new, exciting chatbot development sprint that lasts only for 2 weeks. During these 2 weeks, I'm going to teach you how to build a chatbot from scratch and also how to leverage your organization's internal data to create a real question and answering bot. Through this sprint, you will first of all have a more hands-on experience on how to build these kind of chatbots, how to leverage your organization data, but more importantly, you will have ideas about how to apply this for your own use case and create a meaningful connection with your customers or your internal users. During the first week, we will build your own chatbot from scratch. We have our own bespoke OpenAI API key that we will share among the participants of this sprint, so you can build and play around with your own bot. We will also teach how to add personality to your chatbot so that it sounds like you want it to be. And we will also learn how to deploy that app with Streamlit so that it's available for everyone to use. Now, the second week of the sprint is probably even more interesting for all your business-oriented people out there, because we will take the chatbot from the first week and embed it with new capability of answering questions by turning your organization's own data into vectors, which is kind of long-term memory. And then your users ask questions against this database of information that you stored, and the chatbot can retrieve the answers and put it all together in a very natural sounding way. We will learn how to prompt engineer and generate the code ourselves using ChatGPT. So you don't have to have coding background. Of course, if you know Python already, you will get more out of this course, but it's not a prerequisite. I will do 2 weekly Zoom sessions, 2 hours each, followed by an hour of mentoring and question answering for each of the participants who still need assistance. Moreover, we have an exclusive WeChat group where we can all talk together. Be quick and sign up for the 300 renminbi early bird discount available through this Sunday, May the 7th. Put yourself and your organization ahead in AI revolution. Build something useful for you, your family and friends, or your company. See you at class.